Transform your kidney health with these powerful alkaline cleansing foods. Kidney health is essential for the overall well-being of the body, acting as a natural detoxifier by filtering waste and excess substances. Incorporating alkaline foods into your diet can enhance kidney function, promoting a balance that supports this vital organ's health. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating bodily fluids, salt, and other essential nutrients, while also expelling harmful toxins through urine. Common kidney health issues include kidney stones, infections, and chronic kidney disease, which can significantly impair these critical functions. Alkaline foods help maintain a healthy pH balance in the body, which is vital for kidney health. These foods can reduce the strain on kidneys by decreasing the acidity in the blood, thus aiding in the prevention of common kidney ailments. Diet plays a significant role in kidney health. A balanced intake of nutrients supports the kidneys in their filtering process, while a poor diet can lead to kidney stones and other related health problems. Alkaline foods are particularly beneficial in this regard. Among alkaline foods, some of the most beneficial for kidney health include watermelon, cucumber, celery, lemons, berries, spinach, and beets. Each offers unique benefits, such as hydration, detoxification, and antioxidant protection, which support kidney function and overall health. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer fruit, it's also a kidney health booster. Its high water content helps hydrate the body and flush out toxins, making it an excellent choice for cleansing the kidneys and improving urinary tract function. Cucumbers are another hydrating champion, packed with water that aids in flushing out toxins from the body. This makes them particularly beneficial for kidney health, as they help maintain the cleanliness of the kidneys and urinary tract, reducing the burden on these organs. Celery stands out as a natural diuretic, encouraging the production of urine and helping rid the body of excess fluids. This action is vital for keeping the kidneys clear of any buildup and ensuring they operate efficiently, supporting overall kidney health. Lemons are powerful in promoting kidney health due to their ability to detoxify and alkalize the body. Adding lemon juice to your water not only enhances flavor but also helps reduce the risk of kidney stones by making the urinary tract environment less favorable for stone formation. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are loaded with antioxidants that protect kidney tissues from damage. These fruits support kidney health by combating oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in many chronic kidney conditions. Spinach is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney health. Rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium, it helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, enhancing their function and preventing potential damage from accumulated substances. Beets are valuable for kidney health due to their high content of betaine, an amino acid that has protective effects on the kidneys. Betaine helps improve overall kidney function and reduces the accumulation of certain compounds that can lead to kidney damage. Incorporating alkaline foods into your daily diet can be transformative for kidney health. Foods such as watermelon, cucumber, celery, lemons, berries, spinach, and beets not only support kidney function but also help maintain an ideal pH balance in the body. Kidney-friendly recipes often include a mix of these top alkaline foods. For instance, a refreshing salad with spinach, beets, and berries can be both nutritious and delicious while supporting kidney health and overall wellness. Creating daily meal plans that focus on kidney health and an alkaline diet involves selecting ingredients that are low in sodium and high in antioxidants. Such a diet can help minimize the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Understanding the balance between diet and hydration is crucial for kidney health. Consuming the right amount of water helps the kidneys filter waste efficiently, while a balanced intake of electrolytes and minerals supports their function and prevents kidney stones. Lifestyle factors such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of physical activity can adversely affect kidney health. Engaging in regular exercise helps reduce blood pressure and supports kidney function by maintaining a healthy weight and improving circulation. A diet rich in alkaline foods can be a preventative measure against kidney stones. Foods that help maintain a balanced pH level in the urine can prevent the formation of these painful stones, promoting overall kidney health. Monitoring your kidney health is vital, especially if you are at risk of kidney disease. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help detect any early signs of trouble, allowing for timely interventions that can preserve kidney function. Kidney health can be significantly influenced by dietary choices, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. Adjusting your diet to include more alkaline foods while reducing salt and protein intake can help manage symptoms and slow disease progression. Regular checkups and kidney function tests are essential for tracking kidney health. These tests help identify issues before they become severe, allowing for timely interventions that can prevent further damage and maintain overall wellness. Adjusting your diet for pre-existing kidney conditions is crucial. Tailoring your food choices to suit your specific health needs can help manage symptoms and slow progression. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures your diet aligns with your medical requirements. Kidney detoxes are often touted in wellness circles, but it's important to distinguish fact from fiction. Many claims lack scientific backing. Effective kidney health management should focus on proven methods such as proper hydration and a balanced diet. When changing your diet for better kidney health, consider safety. Sudden dietary shifts can stress the kidneys, especially in individuals with underlying conditions. Gradual changes and professional guidance ensure that your new diet supports your kidneys without causing harm. Success stories from individuals who have improved their kidney health through diet can be incredibly motivating. These real-life examples highlight the potential benefits of dietary adjustments and underscore the importance of personalized nutritional strategies in managing kidney health. The role of professional dietary advice in managing kidney health cannot be overstated. A dietitian can tailor nutritional plans to individual needs, ensuring that the diet supports kidney function without exacerbating existing conditions. Personalized guidance helps in making sustainable, health-promoting dietary decisions. As research progresses, new foods and their impacts on kidney health continue to be discovered. Staying informed about these advancements can provide additional options for those managing kidney health through diet. Future studies may reveal more precise ways foods can support renal function. Comparing acidic versus alkaline diets reveals significant effects on the body. An alkaline diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, helps in reducing the strain on kidneys by decreasing acid load and potentially lowering the risk of kidney stones and other renal complications. Numerous resources and apps are available to help manage a kidney-healthy diet. These tools can track food intake, nutritional values, and help plan meals that maintain an ideal balance of minerals and pH levels, which is crucial for those with kidney concerns. In conclusion, transforming kidney health through the use of alkaline foods involves a comprehensive approach that includes education, dietary adjustments, and regular medical oversight. By integrating these elements, individuals can significantly enhance their kidney function and overall wellness.